Hey guys, I have here a leak coming out of the rear of the air gap access hole right onto the sink. And this is for the pure Blue H2O reverse osmosis filter. Basically it's this wastewater coming out of the reverse osmosis system going down into the drain that is backing up. Because of this waste drain here, this is the waste to the P-trap going out to the wastewater treatment plant. The waste sometimes backs up a lot of into this tube. So what we need to do is get a little doggy pad right there, and I don't know what happened to it, but I usually have a wire hanging right here. Where did my wire go? I usually keep a wire hanging right here because when we pull this thing out, there's going to be gunk in this.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Sometimes there's gunk just backed up in there, or there's gunk in this access area. So what you gotta do is take a little piece of wire, a paper clip or something, and just stuff it in there so it clears out all that goo, all that grease and things that go down your drain. If it's too hard, you can cut it maybe like a little bit, but most likely it's soft enough where you can get a little paper clip or a little pipe cleaner. Oh, that'll work, a pipe cleaner. Alright, I got a pipe cleaner right here. I rated the kids' crafts. Actually using a pipe cleaner for what it's actually made for rather than crafts. So we'll clean this guy out. Put it in all the way. All the way. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Can you turn on the water treatment system, babe? Oh, there we go. Look at all of that. Okay, you can turn it off. All of that came out. Yuck. So all of that gunk came out of this waste. Yep, all of that. Can you give me a dirty rag, please? Thank you. But yeah, this basically backs up from just grease and wastewater going down into the system. It gets backed up inside of this. So water is actually going out of this way from the filter system, but when the water is not running, some of the waste gets backed up on this side here. So that's why it clogs up, and that's why the water comes out on the air gap on the sink. All right.